What's poppin', guys? It's your girl Millie Bugs. Welcome back to the channel. And today I'm gonna show you guys how to curl your synthetic wigs at home by yourself. But before we get into the video, guys, don't forget to click the notification button so you guys can see more of your girl. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you're not subscribed already. So let's get into the video, guys. Alright guys, so I just have a straight synthetic wig with bangs. It's long, it's about 18 to 20 inches long. So I just wanted to make it curl and have a little bit of curls and a bounce, just with a little bit of volume. I just wanted to change the look a little bit. So I just wanted to show you guys how I get the look and what I do. So basically what I'm going to do, I'm just going to turn on the steamer and then I'm going to put the plastic bag over the wig, and then I'm going to put the steamer inside and steam it up, and it's going to make a nice steam, and it's going to keep the curls and keep the curls locked. So let me show you guys how I do it. So the whole wig has rollers in it. I just parted it one by one. If you guys want to see me do an actual video of me styling, putting in the rollers, I can do that for you guys as well. So the roller's been in for overnight. So now I'm just going to, the steamer's actually turning on, so it's getting hot and steamy. You guys, caution, steamers can get really hot. You can get a steamer online. This one was actually used for a store steamer. We used it in the store to steam out the shirts. But you can find steamers online. They have the handheld steamers as well. Yeah, so basically what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take a plastic bag and put it over the cap, over the mannequin head. So you just want to make sure that the mannequin head is covered, fully covered. And I'm going to take the steamer and then I'm going to put it under. So basically what you want to do is you want to lock in the steam inside the bag, the plastic bag, and steam your mannequin. So you want to steam the hair and make sure that the steam is getting locked in. So you do a couple times. Let the steam in and lock in the moisture. I actually learned this method from a guy on YouTube. He was revamping his wigs and he had a steamer and he showed how to do this method, and honestly ever since I watched it, I've been doing it. So I just wanted to show somebody else, just pass on the knowledge. I'll put the link in the description below of the video that I watched and how he did it. When I seen the guy do this, I was freaking out. I was like, I so have to try this. And honestly, since I've been doing it, oh my god, I'm in love. Just whatever style you want, however you want to curl your hair, your wigs. And it's versatile. Like, you can have straight hair one day, curly hair the next day. And it's easy and it's simple. And it's, you don't have to stress yourself. And it's easy to do. So right now I'm just locking in the moisture. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to let it sit for like 45 minutes. So let me get my phone and put on the timer. Alright guys, so it's been over an hour, so now let's take off the bag and see the results. So there's going to be a little bit of water, excess water in the bag just off of the steam. So if there's any water dripping out of the bag, it's from the steam. Water. So now, okay. So you can take a blow dryer and dry it. So hold on, I'm just gonna get my blow dryer 1 second.
I'ma hit that if she left it. They don't like how I talk it. Put it on my wrist, put it on my wrist. Running so cold on my wrist, yeah, ay, oh, yeah, ay, running so cold on my wrist, yeah, ay, cold on my wrist, yeah, crashing this rubber from out of this rubber, pull up and get to the skirt.
That's how you guys can curl your synthetic wigs and give it that nice bounce. Looks like a whole new wig. Just pull up the curls a little bit, and yeah. So I'm gonna try it on for you guys and show you guys what it looks like.